outdoors and we hike with 2 kids, 5 and under. It started to rain.
Rain and cold.
The weather looks a lot different here.
Summer, but it feels like winter.
This is for you. Dry fruit, bananas. Would you like banana bread or blueberry muffin?
Muffin.
Come with us on our first hiking adventure in 2025. We are here. This is so cool. It's actually pretty long. 12 times. There's something so special about hiking in the rain. I hope the sounds are coming through. There's the river down below, the raindrops, the leaves, the fresh air. It is unbelievable. Hello, fam!
Not very big.
Kesin gelmeniz lazım yani.
But how?
23.
It means it's